party YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. And we got some Prime Day deals going on now. Or Prime Big Day deals. Whatever it's called. Definitely they got sales going on this week. And throughout. Especially St. Patty's Day coming up, so you might want to take a look and see what else they have. We shall see what's inside here. And who sent this? Because I have no idea. So here we are again. Oh, okay. This is coming from my good friends over at Redragon. Happy Chinese New Year to you guys out there. China. Yep, this is it. Small little box today. This is a Redragon Neo. Kind of sounds like Matrix. Dual mode connection. RGB soundbars. Ooh. Definitely for the computer. I'm starting getting back into the computer gaming. Pre-track, playback. That looks nice. Neo. Oh, baby. Definitely excited. But yeah, they have everything for your esports. It's from computer mice to headsets. You can build your own PCs now. I think they got gaming cases. But yeah, they pretty much have everything you need. Speakers, headsets. I already said that, but all you gotta do is click that link down below, and they'll. Oh. There we are. And of course, you get the stickers with every purchase you get, and the manual. Neo, Matrix style. Got the USB. Pretty basic. Can't wait to see how these sound. Definitely do some gaming with these. Or watch your movies, or your YouTube videos, or your Prime Video. Watch some NBA. I'm glad spring is around the corner. We got baseball and other stuff going on now. Finally, after this winter was a brutal one. I was not happy. But finally, it's getting warmer. No more negatives. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's super lightweight too. It should fit somewhere. I'm not sure where yet. But I'll figure that out later on. But yeah, this looks super nice. Tiny little dude. There's a speaker right here. Push button. Look at that beauty. Oh yeah. Not slip guards there. Here's the back. It's so crazy how lightweight this thing is, guys. And ladies. Because I know there's a lot of gamer females out there now. More than ever. So definitely check these guys out though. And you'll not be disappointed with your purchase, because they are really good when it comes to your computer accessories. Excellent customer service. But yeah, definitely. There we go. Had to get all this out of there. Just protective coating. Oh man. Ooh, a little dusty. Hold up. There we are. That lights up. Yeah, this is gonna be sweet. I'm gonna turn it on. We'll listen to a something. Hold up. USB time. Or Connect that to your phone or laptop, MacBook, whatever. Plug it in, you're good to go. We're gonna try this right now. I gotta move it up a little closer. Whoa.
Bluetooth mode.
Look at that. Let me shut the light off for a sec. That's really dope. Is it? Okay. That's a really cool soundbar. That's alien green right there. Yellow-ish. We got a storm approaching right now. Got lightning, so if you see stuff flashing in the background, it's lightning. Look at that, though. I'll give it a few more colors, let it circle through. But I think it'd probably, yeah, look at that. Okay. Whoa, check that out. I like that green. Hello, hello. Okay, that one's cool too. Just right there or all the way up. That's pretty cool. Turquoise. Orange. Yeah. Have it off. Boom. I could watch this for hours. It's really cool. Because on the box it didn't look like it was an LED RGB like screen. I thought it was like a, normal plastic screen, but this is well made. Look at that. That is so cool. I think we should hear how it sounds. Bam. That is cool. Okay, sound time. Alright guys, on your Bluetooth, it's going to pop up that one GS515 for Redragon GS515. How about that? So, definitely connect that. Oh, shoot. Okay, now we're back. GS515. There we go. And we are active. And now some music. I gotta clean that screen. Hold up. And here we go. That sounds clear, guys. Oh yeah. This sounds amazing. Excellent speaker. This could be my new favorite one now. Alright, so all I gotta do, guys, all you gotta do is check them out. Click the link down below and get this Redragon RGB soundbar. Amazing sound. Definitely one of my favorites now. So check them out, link down below. Have a good weekend.